Hello, how to solve this is square root of x plus square root of 2 equals 2. Solving for all values of x that satisfies this equation. So let's start by taking the squares of both parts of this equation. If you have square root of a plus square root of b raised to the power of 2, this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. And in this case, my a is root x and my b is root 2. So let's fix in right here. That means I will simply have for a squared, I'll have root x power 2 plus this is root 2 power 2 plus 2 times root x times root 2 equals 2 squared. So from here, this cancel this cancel this. I have x plus 2 times root x times this will give us root 2x because x times 2 is 2x. And the square root covers the both of them. And this equals 4. So from here, I have x plus 2. I can easily decide to move this x plus 2 across this side here. So let me just do that. So what I'm going to have here will simply be 2 root 2x equals this is 4 minus x minus 2. When this crosses over, it becomes negative x. When 2 crosses over, it becomes negative 2. So from here, I have 2 times root 2x equals 4 minus 2. That is 2 minus x. I divide this by 2. Divide this by 2. 2 eliminates 2. I have root 2x equals 2 minus x divided by 2. So I can decide to take the squares of both parts of this equation. If you take the squares of this eliminate this, I have 2x equals, the squares of this will be 2 minus x divided by 2 times 2 minus x divided by 2. So from here, I have 2x equals 2 times 2. I have 4, 2 times minus x minus 2x minus x times 2 minus 2x minus x times minus x. We have plus x squared divided by 2 times 2. We have 4. So from here, I have 2x equals this is 4 minus 4x plus x squared divided by 4. This is over 1. I cross multiply. 4 multiply 2x. This will be 8x equals 4 minus 4x plus x squared. Move this over here. I have 0 equals 4 minus 4x plus x squared minus 8x. So minus 4x minus 8x, that's negative 12x. I have 0 equals 4 minus 12x plus x squared. So let's rearrange this equation. I have x squared minus 12x plus 4 equals 0. So let's solve this quadratic equation. So we can solve this using the formula method. We write the formula in respect to x. Fx equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. A equals 1, coefficient of x squared. B equals negative 12, which is this. And c equals 4. So from here you have x equals negative b, that is negative times negative 12. Plus or minus square root of this is negative 12 to the power of 2. Minus 4 times 1 times 4. Divided by 2 times 1, that is 2 times a. From here we have x equals, this is 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 16 divided by 2. So from here we have x equals 12 plus or minus, we have square root of, this is 144 minus 116. This will give us, this is 128 divided by 2. So from here, we simply have x equals 12 plus or minus, this we can express as 64 times 2 divided by 2. So this equals 12 plus or minus square root of 64 times square root of 2 divided by 2. So from here, we have x equals 12 plus or minus square root of 64 is 8. We have times root 2 divided by 2. This is 4. This is 6. So from here, we have x equals 6 plus or minus 4 times root 2. So we have two complex values. We have two values for x. We have x1 equals 6 plus 4 root 2. They are not actually complex values. These are real values. And we have x2 equals 6 minus 4 root 2. So these are the two values for x, 6 plus 4 root 2 and 6 minus 4 root 2. So what we are going to do again will be to verify. So let's verify. We have square root of x plus square root of 2 equals 2. And our x is, here the first one. This is 6 plus 4 root 2 and 6 minus 4 root 2. We have 6 plus 4 root 2. We have x2 equals, this is 6 minus 4 root 2. So these are the two values for x. Now what I'm going to do will be to check. We have, this is square root of x is 6 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 equals 2. So here is 4. Square root of 2 here is about 1.4. Now, if you multiply this 4 by 1.4, this will give you about 5.6. And if you add it to 6, this whole thing will give you about, this is about square root of 11.6. This is a number greater than 11. And if you take it in square root of this and add it to square root of 2 is 1.4. So this will give you about 3.4. This is obviously greater than 3. The whole of this is greater than 3, so you add it to 1.4. This can never give you 2. So because of this particular fact, this particular solution here is incorrect. So let's consider this one here, 6 minus 4 root 2. We have square root of x plus square root of 2 equals 2. And our x is 6 minus 4 root 2. We have square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 plus root 2 equals 2. So root 2 here is 1.4 times 4 is about 5 point something, 5.6. Then 6 minus this will give you about 0.4 plus this is about 1.4. So if you add this and if you take the square root of this, If you take the square root of this, so this will give you about 0 point something again. And if you add it to this 1.4, it's going to give you an approximate value of 2. This is actually the closest answer that we're actually going to get in this particular equation. Remember, all these are approximate values, so we are not expecting to get the exact value, but this will actually give us one of the closest. I think this is about 5 point something. So you can just verify this particular solution here, but this is obviously the correct one. 6 minus 4 root 2 is the correct solution here, while this first one here is wrong. So our solution is 6 minus 4 root 2. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.